No, it's Garth watching. I'm not dark. I couldn't even get that either. See how microwave?
Everything blocked us. Blocked off what?
You're just gonna pass it a while. Look, he's coming out of the corner. Hi.
Next one.
I cleaned it.
Yeah.
Haley, tell him who was going to my microwave dance. Microwave dance.
Keep it on me out. Oh, real smart microwave dance.
She does it at school. In front of all her peers.
Go, Pat!
It's not good idea. They're a very good idea. Mine's flat. And everybody's just flat. So gross. I don't know what you guys want to talk solid. Sorry, is that too... Well, you're supposed to cook it until there's...
No, it's gonna get burned in like 3 minutes.
Why microwave's good for that? 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. You're supposed... If there's no pop kernels in 2 seconds, then you know it's done. Okay, don't take that one right away once it's done. Once it's done... So there's a pop.
Yeah, I know, I was a press of pop button.
Yeah, and after it's done, put it on for 30 more seconds.
But don't let it stop.
I do it for like a second and then...
So 3.5 with that. That's what I thought it comes to. And then it goes to like 220.
Yeah, and then you put it on for another 30 seconds after.
You know how fast you're gonna get after this?
Popcorn's a healthy snack.
Yeah, what's the
Popcorn.
best?
Let's see how... Oh yeah, I forgot what was in that bag. She didn't cook it all the way. Look at that, that's like really like yellow. Show the webcam how yellow it is.
I can't bring it down.
Look at all that stuff she wasted. Oh, it's microwave full.
Thank you.
Oh well, when that one cooks all the way, it'll get all that butter on it, and it'll be even. Don't take it out right away, Hannah.
I don't know what I'll wait for.
You mean put it on for more seconds? Because what you're telling her is to not take it out right away, then it'll be just sitting in the microwave, not even doing anything. Don't take it out, but put more seconds on. Press easy on. So it shouldn't have to go to 3 and 0. It goes easy on, it goes 3.
I'm hungry. I have much food.
Call her on the phone. She touched herself. She touched herself.
Go away.
But she touched herself to sleep?
Oh shit.
I thought it said, and I laughed to myself to sleep. Yeah, I was saying it. I was like, she touched herself to sleep. I said it wrong. I gotta check my gonad. I told him we have a party every time he comes on. Hold on. Who's we? Put me down. I don't know at all.
So wait till it's done and then what do I do?
Run for more seconds. No, don't wait till it's done. Wait till there's like 2 seconds left.
Press easy on. Where's that? To the bottom. Oh. 2 seconds? Yeah, you now press it.
Laugh. Laugh louder.
It's almost done. It's gonna be burnt.
Yeah, really.
Take it out! Stop puppy!
Stop the puppies.
Oh.
Good. You need a big bowl for that.
I got enough for you guys, I got like...
Why don't you put 3?
I'm gonna try this fucking butter, I like it.
Both are small bags. I love my hair dye.
Actually,
Nice. No. Wow, that is. Holy man.
oh!
See, now we should good good. We approve.
You got my salt? Try some salt.
Hold on, I'm mixing it up with the other ones.
Try this stuff first. I don't think I should do that.
Oh, look at that guy touching his own crotch. The stars of Caetlyn.
Don't stop! Don't stop!
Don't dance.
Joel!
Change the accent.
Oh yeah, right.
Okay, you're done. Okay. It doesn't turn on unless it has something on the button. Yeah, push your finger there, Caetlyn. No, you retard. Give it to me. You put it like this. Has to have something right there.
Oh, no, you're gonna cut your finger.
No, it's not even on the part right.
Yeah.